Alright, so we're going to go over your basic functions for your B4FM unit. You have your intercom button, which is on the far left side. You have your volume controls, which is up volume and down volume, and you also have your power button. So to power the unit on, you're going to have to hold the power button for about 3 seconds, and the unit turns on. If you're going to turn the unit off, same thing. You're going ahead and hold it down for another 3 seconds. When you see the red LED, that means you turned it off. To charge this unit, you have a little hole right here for your micro USB charger. So all you're going to have to do is plug it in, and then you just take this and you can either plug it into your computer or you just need to plug it into your existing phone charger. And that's how you go ahead and charge this unit. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. Once your unit's fully charged, you can move on to the Bluetooth pairing. So the way you're going to do Bluetooth pairing, you have to start with the unit in the off position. So since we already turned it off, we could start just like that. So you're going to take the power button, you're going to hold it down for 6 seconds. Once you hold it down, you'll see 2 LEDs flashing, which means you're in Bluetooth searching mode. Oh, give me a second. So now you're in Bluetooth searching mode. Once you're in this mode, you can go ahead and pull up your phone. Go ahead and turn your Bluetooth on. And you'll be looking for the B4FM, and there you go right there, B4FM. Go ahead and click. It's going to take a couple seconds. The blue light will flash, and that means you're now connected to your device. And so from here, you can also play music. So if you go down to your favorite music app, you could play music. So with this, you have your volume up and down. So either volume up and down, and then if you want to change songs, you're going to hold either up or you're going to hold down to go back a song. And if you want to pause it, all you're going to have to do is click the power button real quick, and that'll pause your music. And then if you click it again, it'll play your music again. And that's how hooking up your music works.